Good morning, children. How are you? So, keep your pen paper ready to note down the questions. And today I am going to tell you about some in-between questions for your weekly test and then further coming your exams, because it is term 2 syllabus, and the chapter is manufacturing industries. Already you have done. I have sent you the video also, and this video I am making for the purpose especially for your exams. So that is some questions, in between questions I will discuss one by one. So you will be, I hope so that you are ready with your pen and paper in your hand. If you have still not taken, please bring it. And the first question is, give the term, give the term an industry converts raw material into finished products. What is an industry called if it converts the raw material into the finished products? And the answer is manufacturing industry. Answer is manufacturing industry. Question number 2. Traditionally, what do you mean by manufacture? Traditionally, what do you mean by manufacture? And the answer is make by hand. Make by hand. Third question, classify the industries on the basis of size. Classify the industries on the basis of size. In this manner, you may have the question on the basis of size, on the basis of raw material, on the basis of location, like that, as you have studied already. So you will get that on the basis of raw material or on the basis of size. Now here I am telling you on the basis of size. And the first point is small scale industry. Second point is large scale industry, large scale industry. And third one is cottage industry. Cottage industry. Now come to the next question. What do you mean by cottage industries? What do you mean by cottage industries? And the answer is, and the question is including, give one example also, right? This question includes that, give one example also. What do you mean by cottage industry? Give one example. Answer is household industries in which the craftsmen make goods in their homes with the help of the family members. No extra expenditure is done, no extra land is required, no extra building is required, only at home it is being done. Then answer is, and example, as I have asked you, that example also. So example is pottery making, basket making, carpet making. You can write any two. Now, what are the various stages of production? Means when we are doing the production, what stages, what steps are being taken? Three important stages are there. Number 1, obtaining the raw material. Number 2, processing it into the finished product. And number 3, distribution, or you can say the marketing, distributing the ready product, and you can say it marketing also, distribution or marketing. Now, sixth question, give 2 examples of cooperative sector industry. Cooperative sector industries, you can give the examples in different ways. Just like one, you can give that the name, particular names, just as in the class you have told that Anand, or you can say Amul Milk Union. And second one is Sudha Dairy. Sudha Dairy, that is easily learnable. Apart from that, you can give the examples of agriculture cooperative, textile cooperative, like that also it may be there. Because when you are searching on the net, you may find different type of answers. That is why I am giving you the particular answers. Now next question is, give two examples of joint sector industries. Give two examples of joint sector industries. And number one is Oil India Limited. I was checking the answers of your last test, and in that I have find out that you have written this answer in the public sector industry. It is not public sector, it is joint sector industry. And second one is Gujarat Alkalis. Gujarat Alkalis. Then next question, name some factors influencing the location of industries. And the factors which are influencing the location of industry: number one, availability of the raw material; number two, land; number three, capital; number four, climate; number five, market. Once again, number one, availability of the raw material; number two, land; number three, capital; number four, climate; and number five, market. Name two synthetic textile examples. The first one is rayon, second one is nylon. Rayon and nylon. In your book, three are given. You will write only two, rayon and nylon. Now, next question, Murshidabad in Bengal is famous for which textile product? Murshidabad in West Bengal is famous for which textile? And the answer is silk textile. Silk textile. And the next question is, name the major industrial regions in India. You have done it in the map also. Again the same question I am telling you. In your book it is given that on the basis of in the world, but here you have to do in India. The first one is Chota Nagpur Industrial Belt. Number two, Ahmedabad Vadodara Industrial Belt. Number three, Bengaluru Coimbatore Madurai Industrial Belt. Number four, Visakhapatnam Gunturu Industrial Belt. Once again check it. Number one, Chota Nagpur Industrial Belt. Number two, Ahmedabad Vadodara Industrial Belt. Number three, Bengaluru Coimbatore Madurai Industrial Belt. And number four, Visakhapatnam Gunturu Industrial Belt. Now, what is the molten iron run into molds called? What is the molten iron run into molds called? And the answer is pig iron. It is easy to learn and very funny name. So you can remember it, that what is it? It is pig iron. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day. Learn well, prepare well for your exam, and we will meet with the next class and next video.